In today's video, you will learn the 5 most common types of web design clients and how you can manage them to get your business done. Since I started working as a freelance web designer, I've learned that there are different types of clients' personalities, and building relationship between me and them will be always a new experience and new journey. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video on my YouTube channel. I'm Igor, a Dublin-based freelance web developer. Just sit back, relax and make yourself at home, because today you will understand, after watching this video, the 5 most common web design clients plus how you can handle them, how you can deal with them. Ready? Let's go. Type number 1, the smart one. This is a very common type of web design client, especially when you are starting your career and let's face it, you are new and you have no portfolio and you have a very weak confidence level. The smart ass client can feel this and use your knowledge against you. They will tell you what they want, they will tell you for how much, never opposite, because they know better how much this would cost, which is completely BS, and they are very hard clients to deal with. So how to manage this type of clients? First of all, never be subjective, okay? Always show the main reason behind your work, whether is it a new strategy, website new color scheme, or you found a better plugin. Throw them some facts that cannot be denied. And second of all, provide them as much as you can relevant numbers and data to support your reason. And last but not least, use a confident and strong but not violent tone of voice while you are speaking with them, while you are talking with them on the meetings. If you are sitting, sit straight, keep your head a bit higher than usual, and use your open gestures as I do while talking. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe button. This will motivate me to do more helpful content for you guys and girls. Let's proceed to the next one. Type number 2, the ghosty. So congratulations, you just acquired a new client, and here you can learn more about how you can get more clients using Google Maps, and you are just, ready to start cracking the website, right? Or you have complete your work and the client just disappeared. So what you can do, how you can solve this? I know this might be frustrating because we all have bills to pay, but my advice is never to be aggressive and never leave your project. I will tell you my short story. When I was starting out, and it was I think in 2015, I got a client from a fitness niche, and back then, due to my incompetence and very poorly written contract, I agreed to get paid in full once the website will be finished in 100%. So I finished the gym website for her in about 3 weeks time. I gave her all login details and that's it. I informed her, and I was waiting I think like 3 days to receive my payment, but it didn't come through. So I contacted her saying, hey, when you will pay me? And there were no response, no answer. Another day. So I decided I will hide the new website temporarily and just put the big blank document with just text in the middle saying website has not been paid in full. Please pay the outstanding amount, which is €100, and the website will be back. And you have no idea how bad that was. After an hour, I got a phone call from her and she was very stressed. She was very angry. I could hear this in her voice, and she told me over the phone that she will pay immediately tomorrow, but I need to bring her website back on track. And yes, she paid me the next day. And this was like the gym website, not like a small one. It was very popular back then in the major city. But how could I prevent this from happening? It's a very simple answer. Just spend time writing your agreement, go to a lawyer, ask for advice, pay for consultation, but your web design contract must be clear, must have a clause for both parties, and just make sure that you will get paid some sum of money before starting the project. That's how both parties will be required to cooperate in order to get business done. And if you have interesting story about your client, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Type number 3, on-the-side one. This is a very common type of client who wants, for some reason, constant revisions regarding the project. Can we change the color? Can we revert it? Can we change the position of the header? Can we change the layout? Can we change the template? Can we actually go back to the first version like 3 weeks ago? They are not the first type, and most of them act like this because they don't know how web design or web dev works. They have no clue because nobody explained them. So how to manage this? For this type of web design design client, don't go full and beyond service. Stick with one draft, make sure that another one will require them to pay for your time, work and research. Describe this in your agreement. Most issues happen due to inconsistent and not modified agreements, so make sure to spend time on it and it will save you stress, possibly lawsuits and money. Type number 4, the golden one. Fortunately, almost all of my existing clients in my portfolio, maybe except few, that's why they are not listed, surprisingly turned out they are the golden ones. The good clients who were willing to pay for me, for my work, pay on time, trust me, and they give me a nice quick feedback, so our relationship stayed in good vibes. If you find this type of web design client, then here's my advice to not lose them. Do whatever you need to do in 101%, give them more than they can expect. Abandoning them after work done is like kicking your career to death. You must protect them and try offering some extra services, like for example, all of my existing clients have website maintenance for free and customer support. If they need to update their portfolio items, images, text, media, they can just, because they are just too busy sorting out their own things, they can count on me and there will be no problem for me to spend time and just do whatever they want. And the last type of client, type number 5, the don't know. These clients appear when you are providing premium services for a bargain. Let's say there's a limited website design offer and their brand just won a contest, like on Facebook, let's say. So you are willing to create a professional website for them for free. And the problem starts when they don't know just what to do. They don't know where their original logo is. They don't know anything about website management, and explaining them like technical stuff just makes no sense to them. So how to manage this type of client? Well, you as a web designer need to give them freedom. Let them talk first and let them know upfront what will you do, for how much. If it's not free, outline your workflow, your process, and ask about, I know it might sound strange, but ask for a private telephone number. Why? Because what might happen is that once you start cracking project, they might just disappear. Because of the whole situation, the whole new thing, like building website, requesting images, requesting content might just overwhelm them. So keeping in touch with the donor client is the way of making sure that the project will be not aborted. So there you are. I hope you learned something new. Let me know in the comment section. You must remember that loads of bad things might happen if your agreement is not customized and it's not prepared for such, unfortunately, in situations. There are loads of different web design clients. Everyone is different, but I hope that these 5 common types will help you out. Good luck. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Take care.